Hey, what's up guys, it's Vibes here today, and I'm going to teach you guys how to get the hacked version of Pokemon through your phone without putting it into your computer. So first, you want to go into Safari, and then go into YouTube apps, and then go to the middle one. So you'll go be on the screen, and then you go to the middle one, and then download that. But I've already done it, but once downloaded, you get this screen, right? And I'm going to teach you how to trust the app. So you want to go cross. Want to go to your settings, general, and then go to here, and then you go trust. I highly recommend it. I always do it, so it works. And let's get into it. So you'll bring up with this screen. You just click OK, swipe across like that one, and it is hidden, right? Because they take out again. So you'll get onto this screen. You're just gonna go here. It doesn't look like Pokemon, but it is, alright? Just trust me. It doesn't, it is. And then you just want to hit install. Give some time. Hit install, bang, and then it will be installing. And then when it's installed, it will be Pokemon Go. So just give it some time. I'll bring it back to you when it's installed. Hey, what up guys, I'm back, and I did install Pokemon. It just installed just then, so let's get into it. And if you do want me to teach you how to teleport to like legendary Pokemon and all that through teleporting, I will do it in another video. But once you load up, you'll just have your bar, your toggle, and then you have this home, teleport, and walk, and search. I'm not going to log in for you because I don't want to log in yet. But if you do want me to do other videos of Pokemon Go, just leave it in the comments below. Alright, see you guys. Peace. Don't forget to like and subscribe.